I showed you how to use a classic for loop to iterate through or loop through the values in this array and print out each one of them. But Java includes a special kind of for loop called an enhanced for, which is a little easier to write than one of these. It works a little differently, and I wanted to show you how it works because often it's very useful. So I'm gonna remove what's inside of the loop here, and we're gonna change what happens inside. So instead of writing this with a loop counter and then incrementing or increasing that counter each time through the loop and checking to see if we've gotten to the end of the array or not, instead we're going to have a string variable, which I'll call current, which here's how it works. You declare a variable which is going to take on each value one at a time from this array, this family array. And then, so each time through the loop, it's going to just grab the next value. So the first time through, it'll be Brandon. The second time through, it'll be Carrie, and so on. And so now I can do something like this: system.out.println, and say the next family member is, put a space, plus sign, and then that current value, the value of the string this time through the loop. So now when I run this, you'll see that each time through the loop we get a new value in that current variable. It just grabs them one at a time out of that family array. Now the difference between what I have here, what I was able to do here, and what I was able to do last time is that this time I don't have the value of the index. I don't know that I'm on the third time through. I only know that this is the index number 2, the Tori value. I know Tori, I don't know that it's position 2. And so that's the difference between an enhanced for and the sort of the classic for loop. This one lets you iterate through each specific item. The classic for loop, you have to use the index, but then you're able to use the index for other purposes too. So it's very handy, it's kind of neat, and it's very easy to read, but it's not quite as functional as the other one. This one is the preferred version if you don't need to use the index directly. Thanks.